Hi guys, good morning. I am going to college. I'm gonna leave now. Second lecture again and मेरी आँखों में फिर से बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम हो चुकी है. Let's go. Good morning. I'm on my way to college. Thankfully मैं second lecture के लिए at least time पे पहुँच गई.
Guys, we are back. We are super late for class.
हाँ मतलब one lecture late.
One lecture late and he's not going to give us
And a few minutes on top of that also.
I'm actually community can give us attendance.
Yeah.
So Ishika did say or Joe that he just said.
What did I
Abhi
say?
just said.
Yeah, like imagine we enter class and he's like planning.
So please once more to take a video of you.
Yeah.
His planning is just he does planning only.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. We are going ऊपर अभी.
Guys, first lecture के लिए attendance नहीं मिला.
So Loki ignored on the face when Ishika asked.
No,
What did he say?
he said you just came. I'm like,
No, when you asked about how you said.
he said no,
He said
I'm
what
good.
he said.
He's like, I'm good. I asked him, sir, how are you? And he's like, I'm good.
I'm good.
Yeah, that's like, I think they feel good, you know, like शायद उसके बच्चे उसको नहीं पूछते होंगे and मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Makes a difference.
We both are missing that thing on his ass.
Yeah. So basically, he's not wearing those famous jeans today, with like
From
raw
the picture.
written on his ass.
Yeah, it looks.
Why are you looking at his ass?
You will look at his ass first. When you mentioned it, then I looked at his ass.
I feel like everyone looks at that ass.
I think he's so goated that I should be looking at his ass. And then Xavier's can look see this and they show it to him.
That's okay.
If she wants to
He'll
look
be
at
happy.
his ass.
I know he'll be happy. इसको मैंने अटेंडेंस डालने को बोला था. He's like, dude, I'll try. Dude, I'll
He
try.
should not do it.
Yeah.
He says no.
It happened. What I said, it happened.
He said planning.
इंडिया के सबसे बकवास लेक्चर में बैठे हूँ. We are drawing flowers on the board in for this lecture.
Show the board, bro.
Yeah, wait.
What the actual fuck are we doing? ऊपर से that professor is a fucking creep. He is so creepy. Before she sat here, he came and sat beside me.
He wants you.
And that is the least creepy thing he has done. Yesterday, I don't know what the fuck he was on yesterday. Guys, finally ये भयानक दिन खत्म हो गया and हम जा रहे हैं.
How was your OE? What were you learning?
We were drawing flowers on the board. That's what we did.
And we were doing drawing digestive system and a fucking shit. My head is spinning and looking at that nonsense.
I hate this college with a passion.
Exactly, I'm done. I want to leave this college. There's no good people, no good professors, no good studies. Absolutely not. No dressing sense is allowed in this college.
Leaving. I'm in office का washroom. And my reaction is happening again. I don't feel like it. Guys, so it was my internship का last दिन. And doesn't like feel like it. I don't know why. मतलब I was not able to get in touch with my boss. I had to speak to him. I was not able to get in touch with my senior, who I speak to every day, and I could not reach him at all today. Like पता नहीं वो भी किधर चला गया. So it did not even feel like कि हाँ मैं जा रही हूँ or whatever bullshit. I just left like I do like usually. Probably I don't know what the scene will be like now, but कल तो मैं इधर नहीं आने वाली हूँ. So that's what I know for now. So I'm gonna take rickshaw and go home now. मतलब रिक्शा से नहीं, मतलब मैं उतनी अमीर नहीं हूँ. But one day मैं भी गाड़ी से घर जाऊँगी. I have reached my hood. Look at this. DJ also. Anyway, I got myself a shawarma because मैंने 3-4 महीने से shawarma नहीं खाया होगा. And since आज मेरी इंटरव्यू का लास्ट दिन है, I will celebrate. I just need to find like a diet coke or something to really enjoy. Yeah, this is exhausting as fuck. Guys, तो मेरे साथ बहुत बुरी चीज़ हुई है जस्ट अभी. इतना हॉरिबल मेरे साथ कभी कुछ नहीं हुआ होगा लाइफ में. एनीवेज तो फिर
इतना कोई कभी भी
इतना मेरे को कभी कोई इंसान ने इतना हम्बल नहीं किया लाइफ में. आई हैव नेवर बीन हम्बल्ड. ओके, मैंने अपने सीनियर को बोला कि वैसे मेरी कंटिन्यूएशन की बात चल रही है इंटर्नशिप की, एंड उसको शौक लग गया, इतना शौक लगा उसने मेरे को 9 बजे कॉल किया एंड मेरे को कॉल करके बोलता है कि तू जॉब छोड़ दे। मेरे को बोलता है तू छोड़ दे भाई, मैं छोड़ दूंगा जॉब अगर तूने कंटिन्यू किया तो। एंड फिर ही टोल्ड मी इफ लाइक मैंने उसको कुछ, वो मुझे बहुत उल्टा सीधा बोल रहा था। मैंने बोला कि लाइक आई विल कंप्लेन दैट यू आर बुलिंग मी एंड देन ही वाज लाइक कि जब तू कंप्लेन करेगी ना तो मेरे जूनियर्स आके तेरे को बुली करेंगे एंड देन यू विल नो व्हाट बुलिंग इज, बट इट इज़ ओके, आई विल टेल देम ये शिकायत जाने दो, नॉट एवरीवन कैन बी परफेक्ट, सम पीपल हैव टू बी द रॉटन टोमेटो। That was so mean and he's like गुरु दक्षिणा के नाम पे तुम जॉब छोड़ दे।
मैं पहले ही गेस कर रही हूँ।
I'm genuinely like so confused कि they even want me for the job or no, and I'm telling him like the boss is not replying to me and he's like that means it's a no. If he's not replying to you, you know it's a no.
देखा
नहीं।
तो फिर कैसे बोल?
So that is so horrible. That was so horrible. And he called me a sick person, by the way, like a sick person.
स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द डे अरे ये बोलो ना पूरी बात
क्या?
कि आप सिक थी, अभी बोला
हाँ उसने बोला I've known this since day one, तो मैंने बोला मैं day one से थोड़ा ना बीमार हूँ, मैं अभी बीमार हूँ, and then he's like no you are sick like a sick person. गीत को क्या लगता है?
सो हार्श।
सही बोला गीत। मैं गीत का ओपिनियन लेने आई बिकॉज मैं उसकी माँ से मिलना था पर वो है ही नहीं, तो मेरे को गीत को ही पूरी स्टोरी सुनानी पड़ी। और गीत को पॉटी करनी थी यार, मैंने बोला तू पॉटी अंदर ले ले, तू मेरी स्टोरी सुन।
I'm gonna write me and who.
Yeah, I was also gonna say you and me.
Yeah,
But then who's the third character?
that's